So for 12, I know 2 goes into 12 6 times, and 2 goes into 6 3 times. So 12 is 2 squared times 3. 2 goes into 18 9 times. 3 goes into 9 3 times. So 18 can be written as 2 times 3 squared. And then the way we use that to build the lowest common multiple is we just start with one of the numbers. So I'm going to start with 12. And for the lowest common multiple, if 12 is going to go into it, if it's going to be a multiple of 12, 12 has to be a factor. So that means I have to have a 2 squared times a 3 in there, right? Because that right there makes my 12. I can multiply that by anything I want. It'll still be a multiple of 12. So then I go over and check with the 18 next. And the 18 is looking for a 2. Well, I already have plenty of 2s. I don't need any more. The 18 needs 2 3s. I don't have enough 3s yet. So I'm going to multiply another 3 on there so that one of those 2s and these 2 3s then satisfies the 18. All right, so I'm just going to list that out a slightly different way. 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. And the 2 times 2 times 3, that makes 12 happy. The 2 times 3 times 3, 18 is happy. And 12 and 18 don't care if you multiply anything extra because you're looking for a multiple. So that is the best way to put these factors together. What do we get when we do that? Well, one way to look at it is that's 12 times 3, which is 36. Or you could say it's 4 times 9. Either way, when you put it together, you get 36 there. Now, I just want to think about that again. If I look at that in terms of prime factorization and powers, the LCM of 36 is 2 squared times 3 squared. How did I choose excuse me, those powers? Well, there happens to be a 2 squared right here. There happens to be a 3 squared right there. And that's what I ended up in this case. So whereas when we were finding the greatest common factor, we took the lowest power of the common primes. In this case, what we ended up doing is taking the highest power of all the primes. And that's what allows me to use the prime factorization to form the lowest common multiple.